Today we're looking at how to cut steel cold under the power hammer, 2 different tooling setups for different sizes of material. As always, we got to build our tools first, so let's go do that. Okay, got these tools forged up. These both came out of 4140, and we're gonna try that. I haven't heat treated them. I think it'll be okay for this, just for this shot to do this. So what I understand is you put this on the die, and then you put your material across it, and then you come in with this tool, and then snap it. We're gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna try light stock first, and then try some heavier stuff, kind of work up. It's a little scary sticking this under the power hammer and giving it a shot. So let's give that a shot and see how that works. Okay, So I should have hardened these things. It's crazy how fast they start to wear out. So obviously this needs to be heat treated right away if that's gonna happen. But it works. That's crazy. That was, first material was 3/4 by 3/16, so pretty light. And then I went up all the way to 2 inch by 1/4 flat bar. But that's hard to snap. Wow, that's hard to snap. It's actually, just dropped the tool. It's actually crazy how snappy you have to be on the power hammer to get that to work. So let's jump into number 2, the second way to do this. And so again, let's make the tools. See you in a little bit. Okay, I got my tools made up. So again, 2 of these blocks out of 4140. This is a just round bar. It's really crude, but apparently you need that. That's 4140. And then this is the main tool, which you saw me forging, and then I also heat treated this one, so quenched it and then tempered it to a straw color. From what I understand, what you do is you come in, nick it on all 4 sides with this, and you put this down, and you pick up the round bar. This isn't it, it's just a handle, but you know what I mean. Put 2 flat bars down with the nick in the middle, and then you come in and you snap it, and that's supposed to crack the material. So let's give that a shot and see what happens. So the part to me that I don't like about it is that, yeah, it works, but it's just super raggedy end. Like, end is terrible. And so I don't know if I'm doing it incorrectly or if that's just the result you get with this. It's not a very good shear. The flat bar was actually really mint. It was really crisp. Like, it looked like it was just sheared out of an iron worker. Square bar, not so much. And maybe that's because I'm doing it wrong, but I don't know. Never done this before, but will I use that in my current workflow as it is? I don't think I would. I don't think I would go through the square bar. The flat bar, maybe, not the square bar. So I hope that helps you. It was a fun exercise for me to do. Now you know, still give it a shot if you want. If you find a better way though, let me know. And if I figure it out better, I'll do an update video in the future. As always, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and we will see you again